So now let's talk about how to respond to a crisis intervention, or crisis management. And this is a really important skill, really important knowledge to have, because if you work in human services, you're going to encounter a crisis. Someone is going to come to you that is in a place where it's not their normal state. Something happened to them. Maybe there's something that they're responding to, or something that they're not able to respond to. And so it means that they're in a crisis. Now, how do we respond to that crisis? What's the best way to speak to a person who's in a crisis, who has a loss of control or a loss of rationality, or is just out of sorts, and it's not their normal way? And so how do we respond to someone in a crisis? What to do, what to watch for, what not to do is what we'll learn here. Then also, how do I work effectively with colleagues? So if I'm working with someone in work, and we're both responding to a crisis, how do we work effectively with each other so we resolve that crisis? And finally, how do we resolve that crisis with the person who had that crisis? So we build that trust back again. So we give them control back. And so we learn about, well, what can we do to prevent that next time? So here's a chance for us to learn all that. And we look forward to you joining us in this process of learning more about crisis. Thanks.